Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about Paul Bogle Day. Now the government recently announced that October 11th to be observed as Paul Bogle Day. Now Paul Bogle is a national hero in Jamaica and he was instrumental in the Morant Bay Rebellion. And that rebellion kind of started the process for Jamaica to become independent. So it's good that the government is observing October 11th as Paul Bogle Day. And I think they should go even further. And a section of the highway that goes through Morant Bay, the southern coast of the highway now, Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. A section should be named the Paul Bogle Highway. That road goes from Harborview to Portland, over 140 kilometers of roadway. So a section should be named after Paul Bogle, but we'll talk about that in another video. Today we are just going to give you an update on October 11th. A proclamation has been issued that beginning this year, October 11th will be observed annually as Paul Bogle Day. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Honorable Olivia Grange, made the announcement in the House of Representatives while providing an update on activities scheduled for Heritage Week. Ms. Grange said the proclamation was issued by Governor General His Excellency the Most Honorable Sir Patrick Allen in response to her request. On October 11, 1865, Paul Bogle sparked the Morant Bay Rebellion, which saw him leading a march from Stony Gut to Morant Bay in protest of the conditions of the people of St. Thomas and Jamaica in general. This after enduring an arduous 45-mile journey from Stony Gut to Spanish Town to seek audience with the then governor who refused to see him. I am pleased to be able to proclaim Paul Bogle Day, even as some of the dreams of Paul Bogle for better working and livable conditions of the people of St. Thomas are coming to pass, Minister Grange said. The story is told that the Jamaica House of Assembly passed a resolution in 1865 to punish the people of St. Thomas for their action, determined that the parish would see very little development. Madam Speaker, the government has broken that curse. Very soon, the people of St. Thomas will have greater access to commercial center of our country by way of a new highway. This will no doubt enhance the quality of life for the people of St. Thomas going forward. We will celebrate them and the entire Jamaica by the proclamation of Paul Bogle Day, she continued. The minister also thanked Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness for leading efforts to see the development of the Morant Bay Courthouse into a modern museum. The courthouse was first destroyed by fire in the 1865 war. Support for the proclamation of Paul Bogle Day was voiced by various members of the House, including Prime Minister Holness, Opposition Leader Mark Golding, and Member of Parliament for St. Thomas Eastern, Dr. Michelle Charles. Alright, so that is the end of the update. So I think this is very good. This is what Jamaica needs to do. Honor its national heroes. Honor its prime ministers. So guys, let us know what you think about Paul Bogle Day. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. We are actually driving through Clarendon today, and this is the old road, or the main road that takes you from Maypen to Mandeville. As you know, we now have a super highway that you can travel on, but this is the old road, and we're actually heading from Maypen towards Tollgate. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.